Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to use Street View in Google Maps. Google Street View is a technology featured in Google Maps and Google Earth that provides interactive panoramas from positions along many streets in the world. It was launched in 2007 in several cities in the United States, and has since expanded to include cities and rural areas worldwide. Streets with Street View imagery available are shown as blue lines on Google Maps. Google Street View displays interactively panoramas of stitched VR photographs. Most photography is done by car, but some is done by tricycle, boat, snowmobile, and underwater apparatus, as well as on foot. Street View is available as a component of Google Maps, as a web application, and as a mobile application for Android and iOS. Originally, Google Maps used Adobe Flash for Street View. Google overhauled Google Maps in 2013. The newer version uses JavaScript extensively and provides a JavaScript application programming interface. Here is how you can use Street View. Remember that you will need an internet connection for this to work. Go through your phone to find the Street View app. If you don't have it, then you can obtain it for free on Play Store. You can download it from there. Next, open the app if you have it. Now all you have to do is to search any place you want by typing it in the search box, then it will show you some images, then choose the ones you want. Look around to see the different view of the location you selected. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.